Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Python uses zero-based indexing, where the first element is at index 0. This means the second element is at index 1 and so on. Negative indexes access items from the end, with -1 returning the last element and -2 returning the second to last. Use len, sequence, to find length and valid index range from 0 to len, sequence, -1. Attempting to access an out-of-range index raises an index error. Always check bounds or handle exceptions when indexing dynamic data. Slicing uses the start, stop syntax and returns elements from startup to stop -1. You can omit start or stop to slice from the beginning or to the end, respectively. Include a step value as a third parameter to control stride. For example, 0, 10, 2 takes every second element. Negative step like 5, 0, -1 reverses direction and includes elements appropriately. Slices never raise index error for out-of-range boundaries. They simply return the available subset. Use slices to copy lists or trim sequences efficiently. Use sequence index for single items and sequence start, stop for ranges to extract subsets. When iterating, use enumerate, sequence, to get index and value pairs without manual counters. Use negative indexes to simplify access to the last few items rather than computing len- values. Remember, slicing returns a new list for ordinary lists, but some types provide views, such as memoriview. For mutable sequences, modify by assigning to a slice like sec1, 3 equals 9, 10 to replace elements. Test indexing logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.